At a time when risk-averse Jamaican investors appear to be hedging their bets on hard currency, some astute investors are still encouraged by the stock market as well as a new kid on the block. It's Sagicor's Real Estate X Fund, which following its initial public offering will be listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. It's backed by a mix of performing commercial properties as well as Sagicor's promising resort brand Jewel. Today we highlight the expectations of Sagicor's executives, and thus we offer the following disclaimer. Today's edition of Your Wealth is not intended to solicit or make recommendations on whether or not anyone should purchase units associated with Sagicor's Real Estate Fund. Today's program is geared at giving information regarding a new investment product, and thus any inquiries about this product should be made to the principals of Sagicor or your licensed investment advisor. On September 24, 2013, executives of Sagicor held an investor briefing in Kingston at which they gave an insight into the fund as well as the earnings expectations of Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. Sagicor Life Jamaica's president and CEO Richard Biles describes the Real Estate X Fund as a unique investment opportunity given the challenging economic period in Jamaica.
It involves some of the best commercial properties that exist in Jamaica. They have very high occupancy rates, about 88%. But just that difference between 88 and say about 95, where commercial properties normally run, gives you a little upside that is possible on your investment. It's professionally managed by a company that has been in the business for more than 20 years, Sagicor Property Services. Mixed in with these commercial properties are 3 hotel properties, 2 of which we have successfully managed and operated for the last couple of years.
Biles says one of the features of the Real Estate X Fund is that it's tax efficient.
And that means that we have done everything possible to make sure that the movement of income from the source of earning that income to you is as free of tax as possible.
Sagicor's Assistant Vice President, Treasury and Asset Management, Brenda Lee Martin, notes that following its initial public offering, which ends October 24, the fund will be listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange.
Sagicor is offering what we believe is an exciting opportunity to invest in the Jamaican real estate market, and this will be done through the listing on the Jamaica Stock Exchange main index, and the name of the company that will be listed is the Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. As has been said before, we believe this is timely and innovative, timely within the context of our local economy, and innovative as this structure is really the first of its kind in Jamaica.
So what are the possibilities for investors?
So we expect to generate a cash yield of approximately 8%. There is a potential for capital gains through appreciation in the real estate holdings in the fund. Tax efficiency, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund is registered in St. Lucia, which based on the CARICOM Treaty attracts a tax rate of 1%. And also the Sagicor Real Estate X Fund will invest in the Sigma Real Estate Portfolio, which is a unit trust portfolio, and based on its significant investments in real estate, it is also tax-free. Liquidity from listing on the exchange. If you want to get in, you buy shares, you get out, you sell. You can buy any quantity, which is much better than or easier than buying a real estate property, which takes a lot more money. You have transactions costs. If you want to get out, you have to try and sell the property. So this really creates a very liquid environment for you to invest in real estate.
Thank you, Brenda. Brenda Lee Martin there, Assistant Vice President, Treasury and Asset Management at Sagicor Life Jamaica. That's Your Wealth for this week. I'm Owen James.